Lola, take it easy. Don't beat him up too much. He's just a baby. Come on, chase my feet. Chase my feet. Chase him. Get him. Get him. Look at you. You're so cute. I know you're not used to having a collar on, are you? Are you? Don't eat that. Don't eat that grass. Don't eat that grass. Lola, shush. Lola, stop yelling at the puppy. Don't yell at the puppy. He's playing. Lola, stop yelling at him. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yes, you're so cute. What? What? Come on, come here. Come here. Yeah, we have to get a name for you soon. We have to get a name for you soon. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Oh. No, you can't have that in your mouth. Get that out of your mouth. Take that out of your mouth. There we go. Look at you. Look at you. Come here. Roll over this way. Let me see. Let me see. How cute are you? How cute are you, huh? Catch my feet. Chase me. Come on, come on, come on. Come get me. Come get me. Come get me. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Lola, easy. Is she beating you up? Is she beating you up? I won't let her. I won't let her beat you up. Better be nice to him, Lola. Come here. Roll over this way. Roll over this way. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. I can't stand how cute you are. I can't stand how cute you are. Look at you. Look at you. You're so cute. You're so cute. And I love the little bottoms of your feet. Little bottoms of puppy feet are so cute. Ow. No biting. Ow. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Okay. We'll do more later.